Hey guys, what's happening today? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be opening some packs and see which is my best pack. And the best pack is Special Thoughts pack. Yeah, I think that's the best one. And this is all my cards. They're not so good. I got 98 Ronaldo, 97 Salah, 97 De Bruyne, 96 Sterling, 96 Sancho. Now we're going to open some more packs and see if it can be better. Before I start the video, make sure you guys subscribe and like to my channel. Hopefully I get more than 100 subscribers, guys. Now I'm going to start opening some of the packs. My first pack, and I got no one, so I'm going to skip this pack. I got Balde. Okay, next we got no one again. Skip this, and you got Rodriguez. Now the last Special Thoughts pack is gonna be okay, somewhat good in a gold pack. Oh, it's Mohamed Salah. Obviously Mohamed Salah, which I already have. Not now. Now we're gonna open some special packs. Hey, we got a legend. Nice one. We got a legend, guys. Okay. Who is? Maldini, I guess. Oh. Cannavaro. Okay, Cannavaro, I guess. Yeah, Cannavaro. And we got our first legend, guys. And we're opening this Tots pack as well. We got no one. Our next pack is gonna be, yes, we got a Tots. Let's go. Our first Tots of the day. Who's this? Wait, what? Oh, this is not good. This is not good at all. We need a better player. Oh, is someone good? In a Christmas Carnival pack. A Christmas Carnival? Wait, what? I don't know, what was I thinking. And is it gonna be Neymar? Hey, no, it's not. Wait, what? Oh, it's a 90 rating Thiago Silva. 90 rating Thiago Silva. Now my next Tots pack is gonna be no one again. Heung-min Son. Nice. We're gonna open this 83 ULC pack. And I got Leroy Sané, which I already have. My next is going to be Pexibits Icon. We got a Champions League card, and we got Joshua Kimmich. Nice. My next pack is going to be All-Star Gold pack. I'm just simply opening packs, guys. Simply opening packs. And I got Payet, which is not so good. All-Star Gold pack again. Give me an All-Star card, and we don't. Alexandro. And we got no one again. We got Lala. We open this pack again, and we get no one again. And we got no one. Why is this so great? I'm gonna open this Toddy pack, Team of the Year pack. And we got no one. Of course, it's very hard to get Team of the Years in this pack, which only have 3. Oh wait, not this. And we got Pedraza. We got Pedraza. My last 30 pack of the day. And again, we have a Halloween card. And we got Mascherano. Now we got a Foot Champs pack. And we got someone good. It's England. Is it Harry Kane? Yes, it is. Or could be Ericsson. Oh, it's Harry Kane. We got 89 Harry Kane, guys. This is sick. This is sick. And we got 89 Mohamed Salah. Nice. Simple. Now Foot Champs pack again. We got no one. Let's skip this. Kepa. We already have him. Okay, I'm gonna open this pack. This is the last Foot Champ pack. And we got no one. Strootman. Now the pack exhibits icon. What do I get? I get no one. Roberto Firmino. Hey, we got someone good. We got, oh, it's from Portugal. It's from Juventus. And striker. We got 94 Ronaldo, guys. I can't believe it. We got 94 Ronaldo. Unbelievable. Well, actually, I already have him, but it's okay. My next player is gonna be no one. Got me. 2 more packs bits icon. And we got no one. Last card of the day. And we got Balde. Now there's only Tots pack. We got Chesney. We have to get someone good for this week. And we got a Tots, guys. Yes, we got a Tots, and he's a good player. Who are we gonna get? Come on. Okay, it's from Spain. Espanol. Defender. 87? What? 87? Hermoso? Oh my days, guys. We need to get someone good in this video. Come on. We got Tar. Great. So far, no one good in this video, guys. Falco. And we got no one again. Just great. Three more Tots pack. And we got a gold card. Verratti. Alex Toast. The last Tots pack is gonna be no one. Yay, we got no one again. Now we're gonna just open this team of the week. Oh, is someone good? And I don't know what club, I don't know what team is this. And we got an 87 Vela. Great, which I already have. Just great. And the last team of the week is gonna be... It's a good one, but I think I already have him. It's Vela again. I can't believe this, guys. I got Vela 2 times. 2 times. This is my last my all-star. If I don't get any good players, that's it. We got Belfodil. Man, I can't believe I didn't get any good players in this pack opening. Only 94 Ronaldo. And this is a player which I already have. It's Virgil van Dijk. What a surprise. Now 4 more packs are left, guys. Please get someone good. And it's Brazil Ronaldo. And we go Rebic. 2 more All-Star Gold pack, guys. We need an All-Star card, and great, we don't. We got Javi Martinez. The last All-Star card of today is gonna be a gold pack. Thank you, Lord. And that's it. And we're gonna open this special card. Just 3 packs only, guys. You're right, Phillips. Come on, give us someone good. We get no one again. My last pack of the day. It's no one again. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my video. Make sure you comment down below if you think I did well. Well, I should have record this video if I had all these cards at the same time. I had all of this at the same time, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I see you guys next time.